Wake up in the morning, time to rise, stretch out, open my eyes.
Feeling a little sluggish and puffiness after the holidays? You are not alone. And today, we'll gently reactivate your body with a core workout that delivers results. No judgment, just reconnection. If you're new here, I'm Gilda, and I help you build strength without guilt. Hit subscribe if you want more workouts like this. So grab your mat, find a comfortable place, and let's get started. Remember, you know your own body. So don't forget to make modifications where needed. Take breaks if you need them. And most important, be kind to yourself. Let's begin today's workout with our warm-up. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart. We're going to start with some gentle windmills to warm up the spine and shoulders. Begin making slow, controlled circles forward first. Feel your shoulder blades moving, your spine gently rotating. Breathe deeply. A few more in this direction. Now reverse. Beautiful. This movement is waking up the muscles around your core and getting your blood flowing. Continue to breathe throughout this exercise. Just a few more seconds. Let's prepare for our next exercise, hip circles. Begin to make slow, wide circles with your hips. Imagine you're stirring a big pot of soup. This is wonderful for lubricating the hip joints and waking up the deep core stabilizers. Continue to rotate for a few more seconds. Now let's switch legs. Feel the gentle stretch through your lower back and sides. Keep breathing. This warm-up exercise improves hip mobility, activates glutes, and loosens the lower back by gently rotating the hip joint. Next, we're combining a gentle squat with a forward fold. Feet still hip-width apart. Bend your knees. Sit back into a comfortable squat just as far as feels good for you. Now hinge forward from the hips and reach towards your toes. You might not touch them. That's perfectly okay. This movement is lengthening your hamstrings, warming up your lower back, and preparing your core for what's ahead. A few more. Excellent work. Let's come down to the mat. We're going to move through a circuit of 5 exercises, and we'll repeat each of these exercises 3 times. The focus here is control, not speed. Quality over quantity always. Let's begin with bicycles. Ready? Let's go. Lift your legs up into tabletop. Now extend one leg while bringing the opposite elbow towards your knee. Slow and controlled. This is all about your obliques and coordination. Alternate sides. Breathe with the movement. Exhale as you twist. Keep your lower back pressed gently on the mat. Stay on your back, knees bent, feet flat on the floor for heel touches. Lift your head and shoulders slightly off the mat, just a small lift. Now reach your right hand towards your right heel, then your left hand towards your left heel. Keep breathing throughout this exercise. You're almost there. Feel the gentle squeeze on each side. Keep your core engaged as you reach and reach. Next, we're going to target the lower abdominals with bottoms up. Legs straight up towards the ceiling, arms by your sides. For support, press your palms into the mat and use your lower abs to lift your hips just an inch or two off the ground. Small movements are powerful here. Feel your deep core working. No momentum, just control. Keep going. Beautiful. Our next exercise will be crunches. Knees bent, feet flat, hands behind your head. Traditional crunch. Lift your head, neck, and shoulders off the mat, curling up from your upper abs. Exhale as you lift. Inhale as you lower. Keep your gaze toward the ceiling to protect your neck. It's a small movement, but it's effective. Next exercise will be the plank. This is our finisher for round 1. Come onto your forearms and toes or drop to your knees if that feels better today. Body is in a straight line from head to heels or head to knees. Engage your core, squeeze your glutes, breathe steadily. This is total body stability. Hold strong. You're almost done with round 1. Hang in there just a little longer. Last few seconds and relax. Awesome job. This completes round 1 of 3. Before we jump back in, if you need a little extra rest, hit the pause button right now. Grab some water, take a breath. The video will be here when you're ready. If you're good to go, let's continue. Starting with bicycles, begin. We are working those obliques, those side muscles that help you twist, turn, and stabilize every time you reach for something or get out of the car. Let your hands support your head without pulling. If your neck feels strained at any point, rest your head down for a few seconds. That's smart training, not giving up. Let's prepare for the next exercise, which is alternating heel touches. Remember, you have an option to stop the video at any time if you need to rest. Each reach is working those obliques and helping to create stability through your entire midsection. That stability helps with balance, posture, and reducing lower back discomfort. Keep your core engaged as we prepare for the next exercise, bottoms up. It's time to work those lower abs. This exercise targets those hard to reach lower abdominals, the ones that support the lower back and help with posture. Arms provide light support. If your lower back feels strained, you can bend your knees slightly or take a break. Never push through pain. You're doing better than you think. Let's prepare to go into the traditional crunches. Lower your feet down to the mat and begin crunches. Now we're working those upper abs, the muscles that help you sit up, stand tall, and maintain good posture throughout your day. Small curling motions, lifting your head, neck, and shoulders, eyes toward the ceiling to protect your neck. Every rep you do is an investment in a stronger, more stable you. Let's go into our final exercise of round 2, plank. Choose forearms and toes or drop to your knees. Both versions work fine. Pick the one that lets you maintain good form. Plank strengthens everything from your shoulders to your hips, and it's incredible for protecting your spine during daily activities. Hold steady, breathe normally. Almost there. Excellent work. Relax. 2 rounds completed. This is your final round. Take a moment to recognize that you showed up and you're putting in the work. If you need water, grab it. If you need extra recovery time before we start, pause the video now. If you have the endurance to keep going, let's approach it with the same care and control as the last round. Start cycling. Keep your core engaged. Lower back stays on the mat. This protects your spine. Every twist is strengthening those obliques and improving your rotation stability, which helps with everything from golf to gardening to simply turning to look behind you. Keep breathing. Now let's prepare our mind for alternating heel touches. Bring both feet down to the mat and begin. Each reach is working those obliques, creating a corset of muscle that supports your spine and improves your posture. Remember, discomfort from working muscles is normal. Sharp pain and strain is your body saying, hold on, trust those signals. Our next exercise is bottoms up to work those lower abdominals, legs up, controlled lifts from your lower abs. Small movements are perfect. Here's the deal. If you got 5 reps in round 1 and you can only do 3 now, that's okay. Fatigue is real and we're not here to break you. We're here to build you up. Focus on what you can do with good form. That's all that matters. So let's prepare to go into our crunches. Lower feet down to the mat and begin. Your upper abs are probably pretty tired by now, and that's exactly a sign that you're doing this right. Curl up, small controlled movements. This is building the strength that helps you get out of bed easier, stand taller, and move through life with more confidence. Every crunch is a choice to invest in yourself. Our final exercise in this workout is plank. Get in position, forearms and toes, or modify to the knees. This exercise builds the kind of core stability that makes everything else in life much easier, from carrying groceries to playing with your grandkids. Engage your entire core. This is working your deep stabilizer muscles, the ones that you can't see but absolutely need. This concludes the circuit training of this workout. Now let's move into cool down. Our cool down exercises are cat-cow, lunge side stretch, wide-legged child's pose, and finally relaxation. Come onto all fours, hands on the shoulders, knees under hips. We'll start with cat-cow to release any tension in the spine. Exhale, round your spine, tuck your chin, cat pose. Inhale, drop your belly, lift your gaze, cow pose. Move with your breath. This movement is soothing for the back and core. A few more rounds. Now let's prepare for lunge side stretch. Step your right foot forward into low lunge. Lower your back knee down if that feels okay. Now reach your left arm up and over to the right, feeling a deep stretch through your side. Breathe into the stretch. This is opening up all your muscles we just worked. Hold here. Now switch sides. Slowly bring your right knee down to the mat and your left knee forward. Raise your right arm and lean over to the left. Take a few gentle breaths as you feel the stretch. This stretch is also good for your thighs, hamstrings, as well as your hips. Our final stretch and relaxation pose is wide-legged child's pose. Bring your knees wide on each side of the mat, big toes together, and sink your hips back towards your heels. Arms reach forward, forehead rests down. This is a time to just breathe and settle. Feel your belly soften. Feel your back release. Let's move into final relaxation. Stack the palms of your hands on top of one another and place your forehead on top like a pillow. You showed up for yourself today, and that's something to be proud of. Stay here as long as you need. When you're ready, slowly walk your hands back up. Roll up to the seated position. Take a moment to notice how you feel. maybe a little more awake, a little more connected. Thank you for joining me in this workout. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.